Okay, welcome to the first video. In this one, we're going to cover selecting a niche. That is the very first thing that we need to do. So step one is to select a niche and define a product to promote. Okay, so to do this, I look at three different things. Generally, I look directly at Bing, as this is where we get our traffic from. And then the first thing I do is I go ahead and I go over to a place called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a very large marketplace, and I look for a niche that has lots of products being successfully sold. Then I use the Bing Search Console to assess the number of ads or popularity within the Bing environment. I do this using the Bing keyword tool and the search results. Now watch as I show you how to select a niche and what to look for, and I'll also go ahead and select a niche to run my own campaign on. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is actually establish a niche that we want to target. So the quick and simple way to do that, I mean, you can go to many different marketplaces. There's other ways to find niches, but I find this easy, quick and simple. You just head over to good old Clickbank. So here I am, I'm in the marketplace. You go to your marketplace and you'll find down the side here are categories. Now these are niches. These are broad main niches, and we want to look for one of these and then maybe dig into a sub niche. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for my niche. Now, I was sort of interested in more of the health and fitness stuff at the moment. I wanted to sort of do one along those lines, and we'll have a look in remedies. Remedies is good. I like remedies. I've had success in that, so I'll have a look in there. Here is one niche. Okay, so here's one niche. Now, what you could do, you could continue to look through here. You know, have a look at the different options and all these different niches and sort of pick something that you're interested in. You know, in home and garden, there's heaps there. In parenting and families, that's popular. Lots of different sub niches there. Spirituality, there's heaps of stuff in there. Religion, astrology, reference, politics. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Ebooks, e-marketing, making money online. Absolutely heaps, right? Business, everything you can imagine. Okay, so what you want to do is once you establish a sort of a broad idea of the niche that you want to be interested in, you want to check on a couple of things. One, you want to see, is it popular? Is this niche good? Is this niche going to provide me an income for a long time? And one of the things that you need is lots of products to promote. So the first thing I do is I look at sort of how many pages there are and how many products are in this niche. So in the health and fitness, under remedies, there is 10 results on each page, and there are 313 pages. So there's over 3,000 different products that I can promote. Okay, and I can quickly see here from the the popularity, this little thing here in gravity. Now this is showing me that it's 203. That means it's extremely popular. There are tons and tons of people promoting this product and making money. Okay, so this works well. This one here has a good gravity. This one here has a good gravity. Good gravity. You know, anything above 10 to 15 is good. Okay, so there are heaps with good gravity. All right, so what you want to do is you want to sort of jot down, I usually jot down about 4 or 5 different names, okay, different product names, because this is going to help us research this particular niche. So if this is the niche we're interested in, I would write that down. And to do that, what I usually do is I just get a notepad, okay, and I would jot down all these names. So on a notepad, you'd put down health and fitness, okay, and you'd put remedies. All right, that's my main niche and sub niche. Then you'd put down, say, the diabetes lie, pure natural healing, heartburn no more, and fungus key pro, right? You'd write down 4 or 5 of the top products. Then you'd go ahead and you'd look at another niche, okay, if you opt in between a couple of different niches, and you do the same thing. Now once you've done that and you've established that there's lots of pages, lots of different products to promote, you want to move over to where we're actually doing our ads, where we're going to get our traffic from is Bing. So we're going to move over to Bing, and we're going to put some of these in there and we're going to have a look. Now if I put in health and fitness remedies, I guarantee there would be ads. Okay, I guarantee there'd be ads. But are the products for that niche selling? Now, if people are spending money on ads, then I know they wouldn't be spending money on ads if they're not making money. So therefore, the beauty of it is that when there are some ads around the broadness of that particular product name, you know very well that that particular product or products within that niche are having ads spent on them, and people are making money from them, okay, because they wouldn't spend the money on the ads. So let's just try this. Now if I put in what the first one was, the big, there I did it before, so the big diabetes lie, okay, and I search for that. Now it's very popular, 5,650,000 results, okay, very, very popular, that particular search term. Now when it comes to it, there's ads here, so you can see the little ad, so there's ads galore down the side, okay, there's ad here, ad here, ad here, ad here. Everything above that little line there is an ad. Okay, so there's lots of ads for that. Excellent. That's a very, very good key. Okay. Now, the other one that I wrote down was like pure fungus key. Now that's a cool looking one. Fungus key. I like product with weird names too. Okay, so fungus key pro. And there we go. We've got an ad, and we've got more ads down the side. Okay, so we know people are spending money on that as well. So that's really good. So once we've established that, okay, people are spending money on it, that's really cool. Like Fungus Key Pro, it's sort of along the lines of skin problems and stuff like that, and skin allergies. So I know that health and fitness is good, remedies are good, okay, and skin allergies products seem to be popping up, okay, and they're also quite good. So now if I just put in, actually, skin allergy solution treatment, we'll go in remedies. Okay, so even when I do type in that, there are people spending money on that particular term, on skin allergy remedies. Okay, so there's lots of different products. Obviously, the niche is strong. There's an ad there, and ads all down the side. So the actual mini sub niche within the sub niche itself is still good. Okay, so now I've sort of established the fact that I'm going to be looking at skin allergies within the health and fitness niche and within remedies. Okay, so that's where I'm sort of looking at. So what I want to do now is I want to move on to the next training video, and you want to make sure that you can find products that are actually, we've just listed some, in that niche that have problems that we can actually go ahead and target. Okay, so that's all we need to do. Select a niche, then move on to the next training video.